Start recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, my name's Roy and welcome back to Gaming with Friends. I'm dying here. Oh, God. Today I'm joined by the Sparks 05, or Ollie as he's known. And we're almost finished Project Space Race. The last thing we're trying to do is just join up.
I messed up.
Oh yeah. By the way, there's no videos on Ollie's channel. This was the first video he's actually started recording because he mucked up like super badly.
Kill me, God.
Oh, Ollie, help me join up all these thrusters. Wait, Ollie, wait. I know. Ollie, put this on a lift. Wait, no. I got an idea. Okay. Oh no, the door closes. Shit.
Henry. That's where we get a button on the outside.
No, the door closes when it's on the lift. Okay.
That's why we need a door on the out. A button on the outside.
No, we don't need one of those. Okay, listen to me. Okay, so come the back door. Come through the back door. Just jump through now. Jump.
I can do it.
Jump.
That's good. I'll go through the back door.
Okay, so
Stay out there.
oh wait, dude. No, wait. Let me back in.
What's the password?
I don't know. Open sesame.
Too bad.
G1 transport sound wave. That's our password. You can only enter the party the party shit unless you with the password, which is Soundwave, because he's of course the best villain. He's always the best villain.
Oh hell the radio. Tape recorder.
He's a tape recorder, yeah. Or he's a tape player.
It's one of them.
Ah, shit.
Okay, what's it? Okay. Oh my God. Wait.
How many thrusters did you put on this thing, Ollie? Is that all of them?
I don't.
Ollie, wait, don't move.
Wait.
Oh. Alright. Are they all connected?
No.
Yeah?
This
Which one? Oh, this one.
Connected ones. Give you one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're all connected now.
Oh no, wait, no. I'll connect to one. Okay.
Put that thing down.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, I really hate myself.
Oh, don't worry about it. See, the viewers don't know, but let me explain. Basically, wait, the camera's there. I keep looking at this. Basically, what happened is Ollie was meant to be recording this as well as I was recording, so you could have two different views of what we were doing. Unfortunately, Ollie messed up by accidentally not adding the. Don't judge him. He actually didn't add the capture screen to it. So now, see, you know how you have my screen there. So here is my me, and the rest of it is all my game video. Ollie hasn't got either. So all is the black screen of death, basically.
That you shall never see.
So, but you are recording now, right?
Yes.
Good. So Ollie should have got this part. So.
And not shoot me.
Yeah, we're not gonna shoot him.
Yeah, I do.
1 second. Oh, Ollie, I'm gonna regret doing this. But I'm gonna take away the seats. We're gonna have to reconnect. Only because we can't see anything when you sit in the seat. Which is really annoying. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a.
We're going to end in my death.
No, it's just we have to reconnect the. What? It's just we have to reconnect all the thrusters now. Oh, I know. Do it.
know that.
Ollie?
Don't we need a cone on top?
A cone?
Cone! No cone! No cone!
Yeah.
I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy.
Oh, dude,
Yeah, and ignore this crashed vehicle. Ignore this crashed vehicle.
wait. What are you looking
Shut
at?
up. Shut up!
Okay.
Shut up, crashed vehicle! You know it's this! You know it's this crashed vehicle! Dad, I've retrieved the crashed vehicle.
Wait, the one we made to get to here.
I'm showing you the crashed vehicle.
Okay.
Here is our crashed vehicle, right here in the tree. So get out here and show them the crashed vehicle.
I'm gonna regret doing that. Oh, okay, wait. Your viewer's gonna see it. Give me a second. Oh, that thing, yeah, this is what we made to get over here. Basically, the way it works, I'll show you how it works, people. So basically, I can drive forward, but Ollie has
I can do this.
Ah!
Bye, Dad.
So that's actually our moon buggy, which is experimental. And then, dude, we're going to reconnect all the thrusters, by the way, because I've had to I've remade it into a switch. Yeah.
That's up.
What? Wait, no, I'm going to try.
Then I'll start reconnecting them.
Wait, let me put it on a lift.
Yeah, let's put it up. Let's raise it up.
Okay, raise up.
I remember what side you're.
Okay, see this the pink one? No, it's the pink thing in the middle. I changed it so it's a switch now. That way. Then
you just sort of thing. Then just sort of thing go.
Okay, you do that. You do that. Meanwhile, I'm going to look for cool stuff to put inside it. No, we have to decorate it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna on the outside. Oh yeah, we gotta put like some plant stuff in there because we're taking plants to the moon. We're gonna try and terraform the moon. That's the ultimate goal here. We're gonna terraform the moon. That's what we're doing.
That's not gonna work very well.
Well, the fact that there isn't a moon to get to. How are you doing? Is that all of them? I'm just checking. Wait, let me just face a bit higher so I can check. I think that's good. Let me take off the lift.
I'm pretty sure that test.
I need to get in there though, so Ollie, place down a lift for me.
Then do you want me to test it?
Okay, yeah. You know, Ollie, get into a lift. Get on a lift.
Into a lift.
Get on a lift. Okay, go on. Let me get on there as well. Raise me up. You raise me up. Okay, you get on there actually. You raise up. Okay, get it. Stay on there.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. Don't put wood on it. Don't make a platform on it.
Wait. So yeah, there you go. Do you want to get on it? You get on it. You know what you're doing. So you get on it. Okay, now go up. Jump onto the roof. Jump onto the roof. Now get inside. Okay, let's both try and get on it. Bring it down. Okay, let me make this platform bigger. Okay, jump on. Come on. You on? No, lift us up, Ollie. No! It's all up to you now, Ollie. It's all up to you. Get on there. Oh. Wait, I know, dude. We need to put it. Let's put it. Now put it closer. Put it closer. Put a lift on it. Put it closer. I would do it, but my lift is currently holding up our spaceship. The sound wave is what we like to call it. Okay, now you put a platform on there.
Ow. My own chair.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Okay. You gonna get on this? Wrong one.
Why am I on? Uphill.
I'm not sure. No, you're not.
You're too bad.
Higher. Jump. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm gonna make my way into here.
That got a better idea for it. It's got me. It's not the same road as the Astro Train.
Okay. Dude, I'm gonna lift it up.
That Astro Train.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that next time. But we're working on the sound wave. That's the name of my spaceship. Okay, Ollie, can you see underneath the rocket?
Underneath.
Okay. Okay.
I'm under it.
Damn it.
I see yellow and purple.
Damn it. Okay. Take it off the lift.
You're trying to kill me, are you?
No, take it off the
You're
lift.
trying to kill me?
No, get out from underneath the ship and take it off the lift.
Did you just say take it off the lift?
Wait.
Oh,
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Thrusters working.
Nice. Check out. Are they all on?
Are they all on? I'll check.
Are they all gone? If you want to see, okay, viewers, if you want to see this, go over to Olly's channel right now. Link in the description. We're plugging his stuff. And you can check out. Are they all on?
Yeah.
Nice. Now take.
And my face is. And now I need you to go to the bush.
Okay, now take me off the lift. Take the lift away. So right click on the lift.
My eyes!
Oh my god, I should hit him. Take the lift off. Take off the lift, Ollie! Hi.
Hi.
I need to borrow your machine again. I'm trapped. Oh.
Hi, Dan. Don't look up.
Ollie, send your lift up. Ollie, send your lift up. Ollie, get out of my chair. That's my chair, Ollie.
It's my chair now.
No, it's yours the other one because I'm on purple side. Ollie, I will go full. That's my seat. Get out and like go total 2-year-old on you, and I will scream in your face.
Happy
Oh.
now.
Boots. Oh, you spray painted my.
Now.
Thank you. You spray painted my seat.
Yes. Yes, with
I think
we're
thinking that that's disgusting. I think we're almost ready. The sound wave is almost ready. Yeah, we should do it. We'll do it next time, but not tonight, man. It's way too late. Plus, I'm tired. Okay, close the door, dude. Get out! Get out! Get out the ship. We need to go in the proper way. Oh yeah, get out and then turn the switch off.
Well, what's that switch off for?
That's for the thrusters. Do not touch those. Okay, close this. No, you won't. Where are you? Okay. Okay, everybody. Oh, we're at the 50-minute mark. So, dude, we got to end this recording here, and next recording, which we're going to do now, we're going to fly the sound wave. Okay, ready? Stop. Ready? Stop.
1 minute. Yay.
Okay.
Shoot. thing.
Okay,
Go
so
to the sky.
thank you for watching. Make sure you check in next time to see the sound wave in flight. I've been Daniel Y. This has been the Spark 05. Say bye, Ollie.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
Bye.
ready to stop in 3, 2, 1, and.